Here the tables move with the field of 250 mm per minute to the designated coordinates x 30.0 y 25.0 from x 20.0 y 10.0 while cutting the materials. G01, G01, G1 is a 1 and the same if G01 is programmed without the field that are the alarm occur. G02 circular interpolation clockwise. The G02 command tells the machines move the clockwise in the circular patterns for one point to another point or arc with the specified radius which cutting the materials x 10.0 y 30.0 C point x 0.0 y 20.0 point v x 0.0 y 0.0 point a. G00 x 0.0 y 0.0 G01 x 0.0 y 20.0 f 20 to 50 G02 x 10.0 y 30.0 r 10.0. First block rapidly position the work table to the x 0.0 y 0.0 block. Second block move the work table from x.0 y 0.0 x 0.0 y 20.0 in a straight line at 250 mm per minute. Third block move the work table is a circular motion from the x 0.0 y 20.0 to the x 10.0 y 30.0 at the radius of a 10 mm with the feed 250 mm per minute. G02 command both cutting feed and radius manually. If the either or the both the missing in the program, then an alarm occur.